We're on the Gershwin deck. Okay, here is a tour of stateroom 5175. First thing I want to point out is you have to insert your card key in order for the lights to come on. You have to insert your room key in order for the lights to come on. Okay, let's start at the beginning. Here we are, the Nieuw Statendam. Okay. Standard closet. There's our life jackets. There is the safe. They provide you with robes. Okay, plenty of storage. Okay. I guess that's a 32-inch TV. Storage down there. There's the fridge. All right, plenty of drawers. All right, they just brought our luggage. We haven't put anything away yet. One thing I do want to point out here on the Nieuw Statendam, there's plenty of plug-ins, but I want to point out there is a USB port. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports where you can plug your phone in. Savor the journey. Okay. Room 5175 is a handicap accessible unit. My wife had a stroke just over 3 years ago and she walks with a cane. So that's why we require a handicap accessible room. So this is a very nice size bathroom. Okay, here is our balcony. So room 5175 is a veranda balcony stateroom. All right, here it is, Port Everglades. So we are above the lifeboats. Leslie, say hi.
Hi.
So as you can see, we've got a pretty good sized balcony.
It's awesome.
Yeah. So this is it. We are aboard the Holland America line, Nieuw Statendam.
Yay!
Yeah, this is the largest balcony we've ever had. Seriously.